Okay, all right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's noun, Monday noun. So policy. Ideas that are used to make a law or make rules. Or to make the rules. So this is our policy. You have to follow our rules. This is our policy. You have to follow our rules. Yes. How cool is that? A kind of rule. Yeah, a kind of rule. Something you have to follow when you want to do something. This new policy will stop that. Our policies are new. These policies are enforced. You have to listen to these policies. Yes. And do you think these policies will work? Will these policies work? I'm not so sure. It depends. Depends on stuff. But I made a new policy for the company, and now people follow this new rule. Yeah. How cool is that? So that means that policy is one, so singular. Policies, two plus, plural. So policy and plurals. I have a new policy for the company. New policy for the company. These policies will start tomorrow. These policies will start tomorrow, on Tuesday. Yeah. How cool is that? So let's look at these then. So people really liked that policy. Why did we get rid of that policy? People really liked it. Get rid of that policy. People really liked it. Why did we get rid of that policy? It was very useful. Very useful. Yeah. And these policies are working. These policies are working, but those policies just aren't working. Yeah. This policy is working, but those aren't working. This policy is working, but those policies aren't working. Yeah. But I think this new policy of having to take your hat off indoors is working. People are following the policy. Yeah. How cool is that? How cool is that? So we think we need a new policy. This policy is not working like it is meant to. So we should make a new one in the future. That rule isn't quite working. So we need to think of new ideas for policies, for other things in the future to change stuff. Otherwise, I don't know, things might not work. People might not know what to do. So then we need a policy on how to educate them. Yes. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So policy, ideas that are used to make a law or a rule. So, can you write policy in a sentence and write that sentence in the comments below? So like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. And you can subscribe to me on YouTube, follow me on Facebook, and follow me on Telegram when you search English with Adrian. Yes. And you can find me on Udemy too when you search Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.